A sitemap is an outline of a website's content, designed to help both users and search engines navigate the site. Convertri publishes a sitemap for each site you own. When you click Publish on any page, Convertri will auto-publish the sitemap, updating it to include all pages on your domain, except ones you choose should not be included in your sitemap. To find your sitemap, navigate to yoursite.convertri.com/sitemap.xml. You can replace your site with the name of your Convertri subdomain. In this case, mine is Daniel Rahili. This will display all the pages in your sitemap. To do this for a custom domain, simply remove your site for your custom domain name and then remove the Convertri from the URL. For example, if I want to see the sitemap for convertri.com, I just put convertri.com/sitemap.xml. This displays all the pages for that domain. To remove a page from a sitemap, in the dashboard go to the funnel containing the page you want to remove. Then click the three-dot menu on the page card and click Remove from Sitemap. To add a page to a sitemap, go to the page you want to add it to, and then click the three-dot menu and click Add to Sitemap.